Ikaw lang kung magiging magandang takbo ng relationship, how many years para pumasok sa pagkapakasal?
We never know. We never know. It's just, I think everybody. I ask all the time. I ask people, how do you know? They always tell me you never know. You just know. So,
Right.
So we're not rushing anything. We're just busy doing our own thing. And one day, yun.
Ano?
Alam mo yun? One day you'll. I mean, you know, but one day you'll know. Do what you have to do.
And very open ka naman saying nakita mo na kay Sarah yung nalamukha ko. Gusto mo pakasalan, di ba?
I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, of course. We'll see. We won't. We'll see what will happen in the future. Okay.
Yun lang naman yun, di ba? Okay.
Ano yung sekreto nyo of being together for how many years na kayo?
Anong sikreto?
Kahit ang daming issue, ang daming mga...
Trust and being honest with each other. I guess yun talaga, being honest with one another, diba? Kahit maraming issue, alam mo naman sa showbiz, kahit anong gagawin, kahit absent ka lang, buntis ka na agad, diba? So, you just have to know, the truth and why you started and what the truth in the relationship is and be strong with the relationship.
Pero nasasabi sa'yo ni Sarah na na yung magpapahinga nga siya. Parang may mga ganong issue na...
Hindi naman. I know. I think, this is what I feel. I think she deserves some time for herself. Time for herself to be happy.
Kasamahan mo siya sa kanyang...
Nadalawin mo ba siya sa bakasyon niya?
Kung hindi tayo busy, sa Dolce Amore pa tayo.
lagi.
Medyo matagal pa itong Dolce Amore.
Parang 2 months siya magpapahinga pa, baka 3 months?
Hindi ko pa alam.
Ay, hindi niyo pa napag-usapan yung gano'n.
Okay. Itanong ka pa.